This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on the mobile data saver option on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the SIM and network settings category. That is the very first one you'll find. After that, go for the data and security section, then data settings and data usage, and here allow everything that it needs, then give the permissions that it asks for, in here just go for the respective data saver options page and switch on the toggle. And just like so, you have successfully activated the cellular data saver feature on this device. So that would be it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.